Which one of the following sequences of the oil refineries of India as they occur from south to north is correct? Kochi, Mangalore, Mumbai, Koili. Which of the following sources has the largest share in power generation in India? Thermal power. Among sources of power, India has largest of coal. In which state the Koyana hydropower project is located? Maharashtra. In which state Salal hydropower project is located? Jammu and Kashmir. The Idukki hydroelectric plant lies on the river Periyar. Mahatma Gandhi hydroelectric project is on which river? Sharavati. India mainly exports iron ore to which country? Japan. In which of the following states is Rosa power plant located? Uttar Pradesh. The construction of Tehri Dam is done across which river? Bhagirathi. Panna is an important place in Madhya Pradesh that is famous for diamond mine. Talcher is imported for which of the following? Heavy water plant. Arrange the following oil refineries of India from west to east. 1. Koili, 2. Bongaigaon, 3. Mathura, 4. Haldia. 1342. Which of the following is the most important raw material for generation of power in India? Coal. Where is Nathpa Jhakri power project located? हिमाचल प्रदेश।